laugh at me. What's your problem? Your man is jealous of me.
Who cares? Jealous of you? Ain't it 1000? He's jealous of you. Please, come on. Don't tell me that. See, let me tell you, there's no kerosene in this house. Not even a drop of kerosene in this house. How do you expect me to cook? I'm asking you, how do you expect me to cook?
Do you know
Please, I need kerosene to warm my food and eat.
Do you know where I heard your voice? When I was urinating here, I was hearing your voice. What is your problem? What's your problem? Calm down now.
Don't tell me to calm down, Okudili. You cannot be poor and rude at the same time. Don't tell me to calm down. There's no drop of kerosene in this house. I'm hungry. I've not eaten. You're here shouting, bragging as if you need you 1,000.
Calm down now.
I will not calm down. I need to warm my food and eat.
Okay.
That is it. Don't change the
topic. You will warm
topic.
the food now. You warm the food. Calm down first now. Calm down. You warm the food.
Okudili, I need kerosene.
You need kerosene?
I need to eat right now. I'm hungry. I need kerosene to warm my food and eat.
You need kerosene or you need to eat. Calm down.
This is your plan. That's why you brought me all the way from city. You want me to die. You want me to starve to death.
Calm down now. Calm down. Let me give you a solution. What's this now?
Okay.
There's no money now for kerosene. You understand? Yes, you warm the food. So let me just go and get something to go and fetch firewood for us to warm the food.
So this is it, Okudili. So this is what you've reduced me to. From gas to kerosene. From kerosene to firewood. Okudili, you have finished me. Okudili, you have plan again. Okudili, you are a disgrace. You are a disgrace. I don't blame you. I should have listened to my elder sister. Austin, that came back from Japan. He was here begging me with motto. He has money. He's a rich man. Begging me to be his wife. I refuse because of you. Don't tell me to calm down. 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 You don't have money. You don't have anything. Yet, the only thing you have is the thing in between your legs. But if I ask you for money, you will not want to bring money. And I call them rubbish. Let us be reduced from gas to kerosene. From kerosene to fire. See, this firewood that you're going to bring, I will not use it to cook. I will not touch it. When you come back, you come and cook that food by yourself. Useless man. Guys, I should have followed rich men and not marry you. Some cause of rubbish.
You will kill me today. If you don't kill me today, you're not a man.
Bless him. Bless him. Leave my clothes.
Leave us.
1.
Count.
Leave my clothes.
Let me count it for
2.
you.
You blame yourself.
Let me blame myself. Stupid. In fact, let me remove this useless cap.
You removed my cap. You removed my cap.
It's yours.
You want to die, you?
Kill me.
You
I want to die.
you?
Obadiah, kill me. If you don't kill me today, you're not a man. God will punish you.
Okay.
Kill me and take my cups to my people. But remember one thing. Hey! If you kill me, you will not have a moment of rest in this life. My spirit will torment you day in and day.
Which is spirit?
My spirit.
Do you have spirit? Do you have spirit? Nonsense spirit that you have. Do you have spirit? Let me tell you. Bible said that it's written for a man to die once. Yes, it's appointed for a man to die once. But I am writing that it's appointed for a woman to die once. And that woman is you. And you're going to die today. And if you die and you are dead and gone, I will tell your spirit, nonsense spirit, can your spirit affect me? I will kill you and your spirit.
So in fact, I will not die. You will be the one that will die. I will kill you. In fact, I will kill you.
You plan to
If I stand up from this ground, let's see, you will commit murder today. Okay. If I stand up from this ground, what kind of a man is it?
I will break your legs.
Sorry.
Break your 2 legs.
If I stand up from this ground,
you are still shouting.
Sorry. Sorry. God will punish you. God will punish you.
Try me next time.
Abuchi, it's okay now, Is it not time for you to go somewhere and bring a mechanic to fix this car? Do you want to keep your pregnant wife under the sun? I know you hate me, but I don't know it was this much.
If you open this rubbish, you come out and talk to me anyhow again, I will slap you the slap that will slap you to reboot your senses normal. Are you crazy? Stupid woman. Rubbish.
And that's where you have power. It's only when you see me, all your sisters will come outside. Come out to fix car. Fix car that your mates fix for a living. You cannot fix. But when you see me, all your sisters will come now. Come and beat me. You're lucky I've passed our village, oh. If not, I would have just gone back to my parents' house.
Look at you. Look at you. See, if you like, go to hell. If you like, go to your village. The next time you run to your parents' house and expect me to come and pick you, you fail. Because I will not look for you again. Rubbish! Stupid woman.
Stupid man. Try it again next time now. Try and beat me. And see if you even find me. Who wants to be in this stupid marriage with you? Fool.
You call me your name. You are calling me fool, your name. You want to dash me your stupid name.
It's your father. Your father is a fool.
Foolish
fool
woman.
Fool is your surname.
This car, I'm not doing anything to repair it again. We will trek. We will trek to the city. It is obvious. This car cannot move. Let me see if you are carrying Deputy Jesus. After all, the doctors advise that pregnant women should do exercise. Ngwa, handle it. If we get to the road, if we see a bag, we carry.
So what do you want to do? You want to leave this car here? Buchi, you want to leave this car here?
Is the car your car? Is the leave your leave? It is my car. Obviously, the car has not engine because of your bad luck. Hey, Oya, let's go. Do exercise. Not food. Every food now you eat. Everything you eat. Everywhere za, ike za, afoza, anyaza, ike everything. Naza. Come, we are trekking. You do exercise. It is good for pregnancy.
Chineke. Oluwa, how did you give me a madman to marry?
It's your brother that is a madman.
You're a madman.
Your brother is a stupid man.
Your father is a stupid man.
Your family are useless people.
Oh God.
That's why your mother comes in your father out of jealousy because of one pan wine tapa. Not even.
And yet here you are. Yet here you are in my village, begging that I come back.
Begging.
And you know what are you carrying on your head? It's not my box. Is it not my property you're carrying on your head?
You know how much is right here? Thief. Oh yeah.
Ikeza, you wish your side chick had my bum bum. Of Kwanuzo to have the bum bum.
Where's the bum bum?
Ifele mechi. You're not ashamed of yourself. Kezaya, here you are carrying my bag.
Which bag?
Here you are carrying my bag.
Yes, I'm a loving husband.
Like a boy.
Yes, I'm a boy to you,
yeah.
and I have decided that I will not be controlled by you if you want to die. Oh yeah, you don't go enter motor. Your father came motor. Does your father have tire?
That's the way. Fuck God.
Oh yeah,
you get me pregnant and then you quarrel with Are you not ashamed of yourself? But you're not ashamed.
Food in the house. You will not let food to rest. You eat it, look at everywhere. Your back, your front, everything. Basa.
Why is that the only thing you're talking about? You're obviously obsessed with it now.
With what?
Ifuruzo.
With what?
Ifuruzo.
You
You're
can
obsessed
see.
with it. That's why you're carrying my bag and my box.
You can see. Remember the last time we were doing it from the back? Your anus was smelling. I told you use water. Use water.
You did it and you died on it, and here you are carrying my box, begging for it again.
Let us go.
You are begging for it.
You must
You are begging for the anus. Why you okay? You get a woman pregnant and then you quarrel with her.
Are you carrying the Jesus? Are you carrying the Jesus?
I don't even know how I got pregnant for such a useless man. Useless.
Look at me.
Carry my bag and keep going. And carry it to around for my bag for me because
Can you buy box?
The white shoe.
Can you buy anything? Can you buy anything?
What are you doing here if you're not
human hair? Do you have hair?
What are you doing here?
Oh yeah, hurry up and stop crawling. See, we were supposed to have gotten to the village now? Eh? What is your problem, sir? Hurry up, oh. Hey. Oh. You think I'm joking, eh? You think I'm joking? Come fast.
I'm tired, Abuja. Let's rest more now. Let's rest more.
Rest
I'm
where?
tired.
You're tired?
Ah.
See, listen, eh? Do not let me get angry with you. Oh, all these things that you're doing, eh? Every small thing, you run down to your father's house, eh? And you think, it's funny to me, Abi, eh? That I came to your father's house to carry you back. Look, the next time you try it, what I'll do to you, eh? You won't like me.
We'll be working for hours. Abuja, I have some people who've been working for hours now. Okay, let's look for a bike. Let's find Okada.
There is no Okada taking. No bike taking. You will walk. You are not carrying Deputy Jesus. Even if you are carrying Deputy Jesus, walk. Walk. Listen, eh? This rubbish that you're doing, eh? I will deal with you.
Abuja, how did I offend you? Is it an offense to love and marry a man like you? Is it an offense?
Love kill you there.
Is it an offense?
Marriage destroy your generation. Don't worry. I will deal with you. After dealing with you, that your brother, I will finish him. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on. You are not taking any back. You will walk. Next time, you will learn how to respect your husband.
Did I do you wrong? Did I do you wrong to marry you? What kind of problem is all this now?
Oh yeah? What are you saying? Which problem? Follow me, oh. Eh? Follow me, oh.
I'm tired
I will deal with you. Eh? The next thing I'm going to deal with is that your stupid brother. But meanwhile, let me finish with you first. Alright, let's go.
Is it a crime to marry you? Did I do any crime? Did I commit any crime by marrying you?
Love kill you there. Let marriage damage your generation. You're the crazy. You love who? You love me and you're treating me like this. Don't worry. Eh? That your brother. Eh? I will come after him. Let's go. Don't worry. When we get to that junction, we take action. Wait. No bike taking. Nobody's taking any bike.
I don't know what this is. Is it a crime to love like this? Am I the first person to love a woman? I don't know why Nkechi just likes to torment me like this. I don't understand. Why? Why? Is it a crime not to have money? She knows I don't like to shout. I don't like to shout. I don't like problems. She knows that. I don't like to shout. Am I the first person? I don't know. I love you, yes, but why would you make me shout? I mean, you don't give me a child, but still, I managed to stay. I stayed though. I'm in this marriage. People have said I should leave you, but I didn't. Why would I do that? You know, I don't like to shout. I like peace. What have I done? What have I even done?
Listen, carry this bag now. Carry this bag. That you're pregnant, you are not carrying Deputy Jesus. Go, carry this bag. Carry it. Carry it. Carry it. Carry the bag. 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 Carry the bag.
What's this now? What's this now? Stop this nonsense. What's this now? What is this? What's this?
Look at this bushman.
You want to kill this woman?
Who invited you in this matter?
Who did invite me?
The woman that you're talking about is my wife.
She's your wife?
Yes.
She's your wife? And you're treating her like this? This is somebody's sister. This is somebody's daughter. And very soon this is going to be somebody's mother. And you're treating her like this? What's this now? Why would you want me? If somebody treats your sister like this, will you like it?
God forbid. Thunder fire you for you to say this wicked woman is my sister. If you know what she did.
What did she do?
What she did is worse than what the devil is doing in this world. What she did, if you hear it,
if I hear it,
if you hear it, you will shudder. This one. So
is this really your husband? How can you marry this kind of thing now?
How can? So you went and called your village boyfriend to come and insult me. Oh, you want to fight me, Abi? You, bushman, you just ran out from the bush side. You want to come and fight me, Abi?
Leave this to be
And you,
Leave this woman alone. What's your problem? You two, why would you mind the kind of people you marry? How can you marry this kind of man? For what? For what? Is it the only man? Is it the only man? How can you marry this kind of man? For what reason? For what reason? You should marry the kind of people you should marry. For what? Okay. What is it?
Okay. He's on the floor. He's on the floor.
What's not wrong with him? Mister?
He's on the floor.
Mister, it's time to stand up. You don't treat women like that. Mister?
okay, maybe just fainted. Mister?
Abuchi.
Mister?
Hey! You have killed my husband!
Wait.
You have killed my husband!
Mister, stand up! I say it's only push, oh! It's only Mister, please come and help me!
No!
Mister!
No!
Mister!
Abuchi, Biko!
Mister!
Abuchi!
Mister! Hey!
Abuchi! You killed my husband!
Hey!
You killed my husband! You have killed my husband!
Mister, please wake up!
Abuchi, please!
Mister, please wake up!
Abuchi, because
I've always told you to keep watch of wherever you are going. Eh? Can't you see?
Nai, are you blaming me now? How is it my fault? If you don't know what to say, please keep quiet. Yes. Why would you be saying a thing like that? How can I deliberately fall to hurt myself? Am I crazy?
I'm not saying you are crazy, but make good use of your sight. Eh? It's not yet dark. Eh?
All is not well. All is not well. This is a bad omen. Yes, it's a bad omen. For the second time in a day. Please call Abuchi. I had this bad feeling that something is wrong.
There is nothing wrong, Ihoma. There is nothing wrong. I always tell you to make good of your sight. Or do you need glasses?
Mama, this is assumption. You cannot use because you just fell down and conclude that brother is not fine.
Hey. Nai, please call my son. I want to hear his voice and know if all is well.
Okay,
please.
okay, wait. Okay, you want me to call Abuchi? You want me to call Abuchi?
Please call him.
If I call him, what will I tell him? That his mother fell down 2 times in a day. And you want to know how he is feeling. Whether there is something wrong or there is nothing wrong. That's what you want me to tell.
Nai, please call Abuchi for me.
Papa, call him. Call him.
Okay. I don't have any credit. Use your own phone. Yes, use your phone.
Is it because my phone spoiled?
Go and repair
Nai.
it. Go and repair it.
I should go and repair it.
Go and repair it. Yes, go and repair it. Call him. If you like, 10 times. Call him 10 times. I don't care. Go and repair it.
Nai, all is not well, oh. All is not well.
There is nothing wrong.
Papa, call him so that she'll stay at rest.
You have phone. You have phone. You.
I don't have credit.
Okay.
No. Something is wrong somewhere.
There is nothing wrong.
Something is wrong somewhere.
There is nothing wrong.
You killed my husband, oh! You killed my husband! You killed Abuchi!
Madam, don't say this thing.
What am I going to say to his family?
Let us take him inside. Let's take him inside. Please. I don't want somebody to come and see him here. These are village people. They talk too much. Please.
Where?
They will report me to police. Please. You know I was trying to help. Just help me put him on my shoulder. Oh God, please try and wake up now. You too, try and wake up now. Oh God, try and wake up now.
Hey! That spot. Super soured. What have I done to deserve this kind of man in my life? Okudili, just to fetch firewood, it's taking him the whole day. He's been out for hours and he's yet to come back. If I'd sent a child to do this, he won't even take that kid up to an hour to get that firewood and come back. Now, Nenya, he's been out and he has refused to come back. Hey, no problems. No problems. But one day, I know God will expose him and that's his mistress. That girl that is taking his attention. One day, God will definitely expose them. Useless man. You are poor. You are a cheat. You don't have sense. The only thing you have is in between your legs. That's all you have to offer. It's fine. When he's back, he will eat this soup like that. I'll be waiting for him to return.
Now, what do we do now? This man, you have put me inside trouble. We start thinking, what are we going to do? You should start think of something.
Don't tell you right now, please just be calm. I'll do anything you want me to do, please. I'll do anything you want me to do. I don't want to go to prison. I don't want to go to jail. I'll take care of you. There's no problem.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Hey.
And please, one more thing. Please, I have a wife. I don't want to go to prison. We have hid the body, you understand me? So we just have to find somewhere to bury him, please.
What are you saying, you have your wife? Do you know what's at stake for me? My husband will be living like cat and rat. If the family finds out, they'll think I killed him. We'll have to think of what to do.
Think of, but first of all, I don't have money for burial. We just have to bury him for now. But please don't say anything right now as we are passing this place. Don't say anything. Let's just go. Please, let's just go and look for a nice place to bury him, please. We've hid the body.
Think of something else than this one.
On this road, just calm down. Just be quiet.
Hey,
Obadiah, God will punish you. You will never see anything good in your life. For frustrating my life, Obadiah, you will not see anything good in this life. Never!
I will not see anything good in my life.
Yes!
I will not see anything good in my life. But I'm seeing you now. That means you're not good. You see? You're not good. You say I will not see anything good in my life. But I'm seeing you now. That means you're not good. You see what I'm telling you? You see the kind of prayer you're praying for your husband? I simply call you witch. White one. White witch.
Hey.
But you will see.
My God will judge you. My God in heaven will judge you. It's yours.
You still want to go down? You think I don't have God? I have God, though. You're not the only one that have God. See, my own God will judge you. My own God will judge you. Because I know the atrocities you have been committing in my house. See, go and wonder your pastor. Go and wonder your useless pastor. If I see him in this house again, I'll cut his manhood and join to my own. You will see. I'll cut his manhood and join to my own. I will tell the whole villagers what both of you have been doing here.
What am I doing?
You think I don't know that both of you are reading Bible in my house? Is my house a church? Is my house a church?
Hey! Obadiah, may God in heaven have mercy on you for accusing a man of God, an anointed man of God forcefully. God will judge you. May He forgive you because it's obvious that you don't know what you are doing.
Okay.
You don't know what you are doing. You are a fool.
You are stressing God, though. You are distressing God. You are confusing the man. The next minute you tell him to judge me. The next minute you tell him to forgive me and have mercy.
Hey!
Only him. Look at you. You think I don't know what you and that man are doing? Anointed man of God. No, I'm not anointed.
Obadiah,
I'm not anointed woman.
Obadiah, I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Stop calling me names that are not mine. Oh. Stop calling me names. It's yours.
Brother, blessing. If two of you are not ashamed of yourselves, me I am. In fact, the whole family are.
Yeah.
What is it? Every time they keep hearing people's voices in this village. Can you?
Are you out of your mind? If you are ashamed, shamefully go inside. What is wrong with you? After struggling with the Bible, I have to suffer with Akuku as well.
What you should be telling me, I'm the one telling you, and you're still here making. But I don't like you, what you are doing now. Do you have villagers who be hearing people's voices every day?
Shut up your mouth! Why are you calling my name among this?
Shut now,
go inside.
Your mouth. If I carry and stone this your useless brother, you stupid. Talk to him. Why you calling my name?
I'm talking to the both of you.
You are mad.
You are still here.
People should stop making noise.
What of you want to challenge
What is your people? What is your people? Your brother. Useless family. This is stupid cat. God will punish him.
What are we going to do with Abuchiska? And my box?
Your box? Look, forget about your box. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go and bring the box back to my house. But which one is car again now? Which one is car?
Abuchiska is brought along the road now. It's there.
God, I'm talking about box. You're talking about... I don't want people to see. What is... You know what? Let's go to the house. Let's go to my house first of all. My house is not far away from the church. Let's go first. Let's go.
What is all this now? Eh? It's already past 8 and my husband is not yet back. He doesn't stay out late like this, so. Yeah. This is serious. No, I have to go and look for my husband. This is getting out of hand.
Please, I want you to call Abuchi. I want to talk to him. Call him on phone.
Can't you say it's late? Eh? Go to bed now. Go to bed and sleep.
No,
It's late.
I can't sleep. I'm restless. I don't know why I'm restless. I need to talk to him tonight, please. Nah, Ibiko.
Call Chika. Call Chika. Call Chika.
Chika! Chika!
Mama.
Come. Your daddy wants you.
Chika, go and get my phone. Your brother's number, Abuchi. Died. Go and bring the phone first. Dial Abuchi's number.
Where is my husband? And who are you and what are you doing in my house?
Well, you must be Okudili's wife. He has said so many nice things about you.
You've not answered my question. I said, who are you? What are you doing in my house? And where is my husband?
Okudili.
Okudili, so this is you. Look at the time you're coming back to the house you left since. What explanation do you have to give? I've been worried about you. I've searched literally everywhere, looking for you.
Please, just calm down, Nkechi.
Madam, your husband.
Please hold it there. I never asked for your opinion. I want to have a conversation with my husband. Go on and explain to me where you're coming from.
Obim, see, Nkechi, you see, the things that today has...
Obim, Nkechi, today you're mumbling. You are mumbling because you do not have any explanation to give. You left this house since morning, and all you could tell me right now is Inanya. Don't worry. I have seen where and whom you spent the day with. I've seen your container, but I want to warn you. You see this house, it cannot contain all of us. Do not say that I, Nkechi Banugo, did not warn you. This house cannot contain us. Excuse me, Makabiko.
Is it this one that you call wife?
Bleble. She's fast asleep. What do you mean, what am I doing? Are you not my wife? Am I not your husband? My friend, please open it for me.
Thunder will strike you there. You are very stupid. Open what? With which ways? The same ways that you broke in the afternoon. Now you're telling me to open. See, Obediah, don't allow me to curse you. Tomorrow is Okoli market day and I want to sleep. Allow me to rest.
Really? You see this here, doing? Eh? If you don't bring it out this night, the elders will hear, my kinsmen will hear about it.
Let them hear.
Then you will now explain to them who has been servicing you. I know it's pastor. So you are giving it to pastor. Now you will not give it to your husband. It will not happen.
Obediah, if you like, cry from now till tomorrow. I will not open anything. You will not even see. You will not see, talk less of touching. It is my own and I will show who I want to show. Obediah, you are not seeing anything today.
Your husband?
Yes.
Your husband?
You call yourself husband. Ha!
God, are you seeing it? Tomorrow she will carry Bible and he will not throw that Bible away from her hand.
If you like, go and report to Pope. Obediah, this night, nothing for you. Live here. Don't allow me to curse you. You know when someone is sleeping and you wake them up, if they curse you with that mouth, that sleep mouth, your life will be condemned.
A woman I married with my money.
What money?
My money.
What? How much did you even pay?
She will not open it.
How much did you pay?
But she will open it for pastor.
Nonsense.
In my own house. This night, yes. I will show you to
Mama, it's not connecting. Network is very bad.
Continue dialing. I must talk to Abuchi tonight.
Ihoma, must you talk to him this night?
Yes.
Eh? Can't you see that there is problem?
Let her continue dialing. It will go.
Mama, it's not connecting.
Chika, continue dialing now. I want to talk to Abuchi tonight. Please, for God's sake, continue.
Both of you should continue dialing. Let me go and sleep, please.
Hey, Mama, it's ringing.
Give me.
It's Abuchi's father. My father-in-law. Hey, who should I tell him?
Just speak it now. Speak it. Tell him something. Let me not suspect anything and call police.
Hey, Papa. Good evening. Oh, Mama, it's you. We're fine. Abuchi is fine. He has already gone to bed. Oh, no. He has something to do very early in the morning, so he went to bed on time. Oh, okay. So what? Okay, ma. Oh, good night. I will tell him. Good night. Okay. Good night. It's Abuchi's mother. She's worried about her son. What should I tell her? How long am I going to keep lying to them?
Listen, we have a secret too. We have a secret. We had a deal, no police case, please. I don't want to go to prison. I don't want police case. I don't want to die in prison. I don't want police case. I don't want to die in prison, please.
I know.
Please.
It's okay. But see, I'm thinking, no Abuchi's car is parked along the road in this village. I think we should go and sell it. Yes, because if people find it now, they can trace it to us. And before you know it, they will contact police.
No police. What did I get myself into now? What kind of problem is this now? No police, please. I don't want police case. I don't want to go to prison. I don't want to... Okay, please, we had a deal, please.
It's okay.
Please, we promised ourselves, please.
Yes, now.
Please, help me.
Come and take me to my room. I'm so tired. I need to rest.
No police case.
No police case. No police.
You promised to help me. I came to help you.
No police.
I came to help you. You promised to help me.
No police.
I came to help you. No police case.
No police case. No police.
No police.
Hey! Abuchi, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Abuchi.
Mama! Mama, how are you?
Abuchi, Mama, you are looking good.
I've been worried. Me, I'm worried about you. Mama, I don't want you to worry yourself unnecessarily.
That's what I used to tell her.
If you worry yourself, you will get sick. Oh.
No. I won't get sick. I won't get sick at all. We're about going to the farm before you came in. That farm can wait till another day.
Well, that's what I used to tell her. She gets worried all the time. Now you have seen brother, he's fine.
I won't be sick. I won't be sick. We're about to go into the farm before you came in.
I'm in a haste. I have to rush off now. I came for one occasion in the nearby village. So I just said to myself, there's no how I will come close to the village. I will not come and see your beautiful face. Mama, let me rush to the occasion. I will come back after the occasion.
Okay, that's good. I know you're in a haste. Go inside and see your... No. See your father first. Please. Come in.
Mama, time. They are waiting for me.
Greet your father now.
I get people waiting. Please. Let me just rush. If I finish, I'll come back. I'm late. People are waiting for me because I'm coming.
Abuchi, come and greet your father now.
I'm coming.
Are you sure you're coming?
Stop this thing now. Stop now. Stop, please. Please, Naomi, please.
Leave me alone, Okoli. Leave me. Stop telling me, please. Don't tell me that. The only thing I want you to do is to go inside and tell your girlfriend to leave our house. Right now.
She's not my girlfriend. She's not my girlfriend. I mean, she just needs some time, to get a place and the money, to help herself. You understand? Besides, in her condition, she needs to be with nice people like us now.
Yeah. Chai. Oh, she needs nice people. Just listen to yourself, Okudele. Why would you bring in another pregnant woman into our matrimonial home in Oreba Anako so she doesn't have uncle, auntie, aunt, or anybody? She doesn't even have a house except this our matrimonial home. You have the nerves to bring in your pregnant girlfriend into this house and you expect me to be happy. Goodly, what have I done? No, have I not been a good woman? What have I done to deserve this from you? You said you're going to wait for me till God blesses us with our own child. Why did you not wait? Why did you not wait?
Now, see, this thing is not my own, no. It's not my own, no. I'm telling you the truth, it's not my own. I'm telling you the truth. Please, now, see, Obim, please, now, hear me. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. This is not my own. Just give some time, See, I don't want people to hear this thing. Mami Joma, let her not hear us. Let her not hear us, please. Let them not laugh.
Don't let your filthy hands on me. Don't try me. See, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Now. If you want us to have peace in this house, tell this girl to leave her house. Ozubo. If you're certain you're not responsible for that pregnancy, tell her to go. Leave me alone.
Stop this thing now.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Let me now, Mami Joma will hear this thing. We have to stop now.
Now stop. And she has not been seeing her.
Stop now. This thing you are doing, I don't like this thing now.
Don't touch me.
Let's not be like we live like this.
Look at that. I'm sure blessing that I am the man. I'm sure that I'm the man that married her. She has beaten more than she can do. She is leaving my house today. With younger. I'm not marrying again.
Obadaya welu ya wayo niji fule buka ije lo wajogu.
Today she will leave. A woman I married with my head on will come and suffer me. Oh, here she is. She's back.
Obadaya, have you started again? What are my clothes doing here?
It's over. Marriage has closed. Pack your things and go back to your father's house. I'm not marrying again. Marriage is over. Mr. Agusigo, go back to your father's house. If your father's house is not comfortable, go to your pastor. Go and stay with him. So the both of you can now read Bible from Genesis to Revelation. Do you understand?
Obadiah, I have nothing to say to you. Just because I am coming from the house of God, I will not engage in this madness with you. All I have to say is, may God have mercy on you for accusing an innocent man of God.
Help him.
God have mercy.
Which innocent man of God?
God will have mercy.
Which innocent man of God? Which innocent man of God? God, let me smell you. If you're not smelling it, let me smell you now. If you're smelling Holy Spirit, let me know what I'm doing here.
Obadiah, today is not the day for fights. Another day. Try me
Where are
another
you
day.
going to?
Try me another day.
Let me see you enter this place.
God have mercy.
Let me see you enter this place. Let me see how you enter this place.
You are a cursed.
You will not enter my house today.
You are possessed.
Look, I'm possessed.
You are possessed.
With the Holy Spirit. You are possessed with the pastor. You are possessed with the pastor.
Obadiah, you know me.
Let me smell your Ifedina. As if you're not smelling Ivan. Eh? Let me smell it.
Not today.
Take this and go.
Because I'm coming from the house of the God.
Which house of
God? My father, I will not.
Which house of God? Go. I'll bring your pants and do all the remaining things.
Father.
I'm even the one that bought the pants. I can
Father in heaven, see your son. See your son because I will dig him.
Papa, God, see your son's wife. Take her.
I will rush you. You know me.
You will rush
now.
me.
I will rush you. Obadiah, give me. I'll bite you.
If you bite me, I'll bite your pastor. If you bite me, I'll bite your pastor. I will cut his lip.
If you want me to believe you, go inside, tell your emergency girlfriend to pack her things and leave her house.
Don't talk like this now. We are not bad people now. We are not bad people. We are considerate people. Let her take some time to get money so that she can go somewhere else now. This man to laugh at me.
Let me calmly tell you. Go and tell her to leave.
Okwi, Biko, help me and fetch water. Let me take my bath. So I can go to where we are going to.
Osigene? Ese? Okwi gene? And you have the nerve to even touch my wrapper? Leave me alone!
No, now.
Leave me alone now. I need to teach her a lesson.
No, this is a woman like
If you know what is good for you, remove that wrapper. If you know what is good for you,
stop this thing.
I only want to take my bath. Why are you firing up and down? What's wrong with you?
If you know what is good for this girl, tell her to remove my wrapper.
This is a woman like you. How can you remove her?
Because it was you. Now she has gone to take my wrapper. If I allow her, she will take literally everything I have in this house. And you expect me to be calm, okay? You expect me to keep quiet.
Okay now.
Let me have my wrapper.
Now, this is a woman like you.
No, she's not a woman like me. She can never be a woman like me.
Thank God I'm not a woman like you. I can never be a woman like you. At least I have evidence of being a woman. You, what do you have to show for it? Never now quick for nothing.
What is all this now? What's
woman?
Will you stop that nonsense? What's all this now? What's all this now? What kind of talk is this now? What kind of talk is this now?
Leave me alone. Let me teach her.
You have home training.
Leave me alone.
Stop this thing now.
I said leave me alone.
Stop this thing now. Obim, you have home training. Obim, you have home training. Obim, you have home training. You have home training. Obim, now. Stop this thing.
Leave me alone.
Stop this thing.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okwi, Biko, fetch the water. Let me take my bath so we can go to where we are supposed to go to.
Okay, you go. You go inside now. Go inside. I'll fetch the water. Go. Go now. Go first. Stop now. Stop this thing.
See, Okudele, leave me alone. Let me teach her.
You are bigger than this thing.
Okudele,
You are bigger than this thing.
Hey!
Obim. You have home training more than this thing. You have home training more than this thing. You have home training more than this thing. Obim, stop this thing now.
Leave this house.
Stop
If
this
you know what is good for you, leave this house. If not, I'll burn you as that your own child. Don't call my name. Obikebi Wagon. That's all you have to say. Your girlfriend is here insulting me. Obibi, I don't have it.
You have home training, oh. You have home training. This is why I married you, oh. See, my major, my papa, they will laugh at us.
Why are you sitting down here crying with your bags? What happened? Where is my brother Obadiah?
He went out.
What happened? Don't tell me you guys had fight again.
Because, sir, I am tired. I am so tired. I don't know why I married a very wicked man. Your brother is a very wicked person.
It's okay.
Just because we had tiny issues last night, he locked me out. He refused to let me in. Just that small issues.
You should know the kind of man you got married to. At least you should have tried to live peacefully with him. You know the kind of person he is.
I did not fall from the sky. I have a family. I will go back to them and I'll report him to them.
Please, see, I will talk to my brother when he comes back, please. Yeah.
If I keep quiet in this house, Obadiah will kill me one day. He will slaughter and he will kill me in this house.
You know what, I have my own key.
Or better still, let me just go to his woman and report him to them. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Don't worry, let me open the door. You have my key.
Obadiah, 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 Obadiah,
Where is my son? Why didn't you force him to wait for me?
Papa,
what kind of...
He said he's coming back.
Keep quiet. What kind of haste will he be that he will not have time to wait and see his own father? Why?
Nah, I tried. But he said he was in a haste. That he will come back.
What kind of haste will he be that he will not have time to see his own father? If not that you have made me look worthless in his presence. And want to share the money with your daughter. Yes, I know he gave you money.
He did not give me any money. Ask your daughter again.
Papa, Abuchi did not give
Shut up! Shut up!
He didn't give us any money.
He gave you money. Abuchi gave you money. Only that you don't want me to share with you.
If my son gave me money, why would I hide it?
Everything is wrong. Because you don't want me to share the money with you people. Give me my own money. Give me my own share. Ihuoma, you know I suffered to train that boy. I suffered to train him.
Hey, train indeed. Nine. Abuchi, I single-handedly saw through school. You did not even spend a dime. You did not. Nine, please, don't take me back. I
am his father. I am his father. I fathered this boy. Bring the money.
Hey! Father indeed. Many answered father, but finally they are the sperm donors. Yes!
Ihuoma.
And you are among the sperm donors.
Ihuoma, you are talking to me in this manner. Come back here, bring the money. I said bring that money, Ihuoma.
Papa, you're just being
sarcastic.
You're being sarcastic.
Which
one is
this car I can pay 400k. This is what I have for now.
That's what? Please, we're not even selling for 3 million naira. This big car. Are you using this car you're pricing for 400,000?
Okay. How much will you sell it last? Let me know.
2.9 million lasts. If you're not buying, go. So I can look for a serious buyer.
Wait, madam, you're greedy. So this kind of car will not even be new car. You want to sell it at 1 point. I've been waiting. Go and rob the bank now. Go and rob the bank. You want to sell this kind of car 1 million.
Poor man. Instead of you to say you don't have money to buy car, you came here to waste my time. So move out of the way. Let me see important buyers. Poverty-stricken buyer. You want come and buy it for 25 naira. Get where it 50.
What's all this? What's all this now?
What?
Does this place look like a car stand? Which one is that you want to sell this car for 3 million here in this place? Please, let's do this thing and let's go now. Let's do this thing and go. Where's 3 million?
Okudi, I don't blame you. You know, all your life you have never seen 100,000 naira before. That's why 400,000 sounds like big money to you. Why are you supporting that thief?
I'm not supporting, but what I'm saying is let's just sell this thing and go.
Sell which thing?
Let's sell this thing and go.
Do you know how much Abuchi bought this car?
Look, 400,000 is not bad for this kind of place. Let's sell this thing and go, please.
What's again? For... Yeah, Bacharaya, go respect yourself. Which 400,000? Let's look for a serious buy. Which one is 400,000?
Pastor Ben, I am not comfortable with you coming over here for fellowship. Don't get me wrong, I'm very grateful for all the things you have been doing. But the problem is my husband. He's beginning to think otherwise. And I don't want to get you into any trouble.
Sister Blessing.
Sir.
It doesn't matter what people say. As long as we know we are not doing anything wrong. If our conscience do not condemn us, nobody will condemn us. And of course, you know I am only here to encourage you to keep trusting God for blessings of the womb. Remember the Bible says, children are gift from God and fruits of the womb is a reward. And for God to prove the authenticity of his words and his readiness to do them, he says in the Bible, instead my words not come to pass, let heaven and earth pass away. He will surely perfect it. Therefore, I will continue to advise you to continue reminding God of his promises. Once you do, God will surely answer your desires by giving you fruits of the womb.
Keep your hand there. Hold it. And start remove it. If you remove it, I'll kill you. So this is it. I said it. You think I don't read my Bible? I read my Bible daily. The Bible said that every day is for the thief. One day, even if it's in the afternoon, is for the owner. You see? I have got you people wholesale.
It's not what you think. You know Pastor Ben now. He only came here to encourage me about our situation.
You see? He came here to encourage you.
It's not like that and you know it.
He came here to encourage you. At your age, small girl like you, pastors are not encouraging you. So the encouragement your husband has been giving you is not enough. Eh? It's alright. Pastor, I told you that I'm going to catch you. You are here romancing my wife. Wholesale catching. What you will see. Neighbors, where are you? Neighbors, gather. Abomination is happening.
May God have mercy on you.
Amen.
Because I'm sure you do not know what you are doing. I'm just telling you this. Accusing a man of God of adultery.
Hey.
Okay. Oh. You call the accusation. Something I saw with my two naked eyes. Oh, you are begging him. You are begging him before your husband. You are begging him. Pastor. She's begging you and you are accepting the beg. Okay. You will see.
Pastor,
I will tell you that.
Pay no attention to me. He's a madman. I'm sorry.
For breaking of head. You don't want to leave now.
Brother Mother, the Bible says in Psalm, touch not my anointed, and my prophet do no harm. Because if God gets angry with you,
Sam Sawagon, I get out. Sam
Pastor, I'm sorry. Pastor Ben, I'm sorry. What is wrong with you?
What did you say? You are sorry.
You're very bad.
You said sorry to him. When I'm here, you should be begging me. And you are begging Pastor.
Stupid.
You are
Why are you embarrassing that man?
And you are begging Pastor. Daddy G.O. I will kill you. You dropped my car.
You're stupid.
I told you it was going to work. I told you to calm down.
An important,
calm down.
serious buyer.
Oh, guys, come down. My guy.
Yeah, take the money. Hey, you need to count it.
Let's check first now. Let's check first. Sir, it's complete. It's complete.
Madam, you know that this car is not up to that amount I'm giving to you.
Yeah, why? Who told that?
Yes, but I just want to help you and your man because you are pregnant.
Thank you. Thank you for helping. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
For good, you know there are some things I told you I want to go and buy.
Yes, thank you. God bless you.
Handle that car.
I told you before, but you wouldn't listen. I warned you.
You gradually pushed your husband into the hands of another woman. I hate to tell you this, but I warned you. I did.
Ne, Okudili betrayed me. I'm certain he has been seeing this girl for a very long time. Yes. Got her pregnant and brought her in to live with us.
Are you serious?
She's heavily pregnant. That's not the end. She had the nerves to go to my wardrobe and take my wrapper. When I wanted to beat her mercilessly and take my wrapper from her, my husband held me. Oh, please, allow her. She's a woman like you. She's this, she's that. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Ha. This is serious.
Ibube, I'm literally giving up on this marriage. This is becoming unbearable. I don't understand what is going on. I cannot share my man with another woman.
Then don't allow her. I know Okudi loves you, so you don't need to allow her to take over your marriage. You have to capitalize on that love. Take advantage of it. You have to show this woman that you are the main chick, you know. Don't allow her.
Thank you so much. That's why I like talking to you. I know you will come up with a reasonable idea.
What are friends for? What are friends for? The name of this institution is never give up. So you're not going to give up now.
But then you're being very childish now. You're being very childish. You and I, you're accusing Auntie Blessing of adultery. Why you and I know that she can never do that? You know that one.
So you mean that I'm crazy? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I saw with my two naked eyes. I came here, I saw them here. Pastor was romancing her. And she gave Pastor her shoulder comfortably for Pastor to be romancing. A woman I married with my money.
I don't believe it.
Pastor Ben was busy romancing her in my own house.
I don't believe it.
We shall see.
She cannot do that.
She cannot do it.
She cannot do it. Even in your own house. Brother, check it now. Check it.
Is that right? I can be here. I have reported to my kinsmen. Woman has heard about it. They will come today, we will discuss it. She will know what she has done. A woman I married is now the pastor that is enjoying her. If I want to touch her in the night, she will say, leave me. But she will leave herself for pastor to be romancing. She will leave. Is it pastor that is marrying her or me?
But are you sure?
We shall see.
So, even if they want to do it, will they come to your house and do it?
Are you crazy?
What are you
Do I
saying?
have meningitis in my eyes?
Maybe.
Do you have what? What is time?
After 2.
Go and bring broom. Sweep this place.
What are we doing? I've swept the house now. I don't
Sweep it again. Make everywhere neat. Carry this bench.
Yourself,
Put by the tree. Or you leave it here. Because my kinsmen will soon arrive.
But I don't have strength.
They will you say what?
I don't have strength. I've swept this place this morning now. Which one is I should come and sweep it again? Me, I don't have strength. You have to do that one by yourself.
Kosara, if I lay my hand on you now, I forget about your Sarah.
Brother, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't have strength. I've swept this place this morning. And which with me, I'm not sweeping anything.
You don't want the kinsmen to hear it. Go and bring broom.
Like, go and bring your...
Whether you sweep it or not, else they will stay on this dirt. Are you still there? Go inside and bring broom. Look at you. I don't know what I saw again. They were here romancing. I left you in my wife's care. You were inside. Who know you were the one dressing the bed for them? I don't trust you again. I will not leave my wife when you are here. Rubbish. As if meningitis is in my eyes. I do not see where. Uncle Pastor Ben. Okay. I forget your Pastor Benjamin by force. That your name. I will clean it. Clean it from the Bible. Nonsense. You want to come and enjoy my wife, a woman I paid with my own money. Did you give me money? Did I borrow money from you when I was paying her dowry?
Instead of you to advise your kid sister not to be going naked to work, you are here supporting her just because of the little money that she gives to you. You refuse to tell her the truth. I am ashamed of you. You are not worthy to be called a man. Let me ask you a question. Will you allow your wife to wear such thing?
If I have money to buy it for my wife, then she can wear it. Yes, I cannot buy clothes for her and she will keep it at home. Eh? If she want to walk naked, let her with her nakedness. Let her naked. Please, she's not living anywhere. She must stay in this house. Never!
And don't insult my brother, please. Don't insult my brother. You paid my bride price to him. So don't insult him.
I'm taking her. I will take her. Don't beg me. If I start now, don't beg me. But you see this house, she will not leave this house. Never! You will not leave the house.